Is InVideo worth it? Best video editor for beginners. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be doing a review on InVideo and if it's worth it for beginners. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you'll get a discount when you're going to subscribe to a subscription plan with InVideo. Again, there will be a special link in the description below for a special discount when subscribing to an InVideo plan. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so in reviews right here, so these are reviews right here that were made by people that use InVideo, and a lot of them have a lot of 5 stars. So it says right here in g2.com that InVideo has a 4.5 out of 5 star rating. So let's just read some of the reviews right here from users. So it says right here that InVideo AI is a user-friendly savior of their time. So this user right here has made 94 videos with InVideo AI. So in here, the user highlighted the speed that doesn't quit. Even when the servers are busy, I never wait long. Unlike other tools that freeze or throttle free users, InVideo AI stays fast. And then in here, the user also highlighted that you can edit anything at any time. So if you hate a clip, you can swap it in seconds. Need a different narrator? Done. Music not fitting? Change it with one click. Subtitles out of sync? You can fix them instantly. No forced final renders, just to tweak one thing. And the next is there are no hidden limits. So other free tools lock basic edits behind paywalls. Here, the user can truly customize everything from pictures, audio, text, without hitting a premium required wall. So yeah. Next is we have another one right here. So by far the best, and I tested them all. So InVideo is just incredibly by far. I recently decided to start creating viral content for social media. There's so many options out there, but because I wanted to find the best one that works for me, I've tried probably more than 25 of them. Most of them you need to give them prompts to create a scene, and then another, and then another. Then put them all together to have your final video. With InVideo, I literally threw in my script and it created the entire video, including VO graphics, music, sound effects, AI content, and stock content, and it was just spot on. So yeah, so these are just some of the reviews right here about InVideo, and all of them have really good reviews. So moving on, let's move on to the pricing right here. So InVideo AI has 5 plans or 6 plans right here that you can choose from. So it has the Plus plan, the Max plan, the Generative plan, the Team plan, the Free plan, and the Enterprise plan. So for the Plus plan right here, so this one is best for stock video, and it will cost you around $28 a month. So if you click on the link in the description below, you'll get special discounts on these plans right here. So yeah, so in the Plus plan, you'll get 10 credits, 50 video minutes plus 95 iStock, 2 UGC product asset ads, 30 seconds of generative video, 2 express clones, 3 users, 100 gigabytes of storage, and unlimited exports. Next is we have the Max plan right here. So this one's also best for stock video. So this one is $50 a month. So in here you'll have 40 credits, 200 video minutes plus 320 iStock, 8 UGC product asset ads, 120 seconds of generative video, 5 express clones, 3 users, 400 gigabytes of storage, and unlimited exports. And the next is we have the Generative plan. So this one is best for ads and films. So this one right here is their best value plan or their most popular plan. So this one will cost you around $100 a month. But if you want to save off your money, you can definitely click on the link in the description below. So yeah. So in here you'll get 100 credits, 200 video minutes plus 320 iStock, 5 generative UGC ads, 200 seconds of generative video, 8 express clones, 3 users, and 400 gigabytes of storage, and unlimited exports. Next, we have the Team plan. So this one's best for teams. So this one will cost you around $899 a month. So in here you get 1,000 credits, 2,000 video minutes plus 3,200 iStock, 50 generative UGC ads, 50 minutes of generative videos, 40 express clones, 1 seat, and 4 terabytes of storage, and unlimited exports. Next is we have the Free plan right here. So this one is definitely free, no hidden fees, $0. So yeah, so in here you'll get 10 video minutes and 1 AI credit per week, 1 express avatar, 4 exports per week with InVideo watermark, and no access to generative features. So yeah, so if you want to try out InVideo and check it for yourself, you can definitely try the free plan first, and then if you want to proceed with the other plans, you can do so, and make sure to click on the link in the description below to get a special discount. And then lastly, so we have the enterprise plan right here. So this one doesn't have a specific price, and you will need to contact the developers or the people from InVideo to avail for the enterprise plan. So this one is custom solutions for large organizations. So in here, you'll get advanced security and flexible pricing based on your needs. So yeah, so these are the plans right here in InVideo. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you will get special discounts right here when you're going to subscribe to a plan right here in InVideo. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it. If InVideo is worth it and if it's the best video for beginners. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.